Hello, I'm Annette and I'm coming to you from the Simply Too Good headquarters on the beautiful Sunshine Coast in Queensland. I wonder if you've heard my news. Well, I'm super excited to share that my 6-week winter weight loss challenge starts on Monday, the 19th of June, and I'd love you to join me. So let me start with a quick rundown of what this powerful challenge includes. You get 6 weeks of deliciously healthy winter warming menu plans that tell you exactly what to eat and how much to eat. There's support from me via videos with tips, advice and motivation to help you achieve your new healthy lifestyle. And there's exclusive cooking classes to show you how to cook the healthy meals on your menu plans. There's also a live Q&A sessions that happen during the challenge, and you'll never feel like you're doing it on your own because you have direct access to me via email to answer all your weight loss questions, and you'll be part of a private community of people on the same journey as you. And that's just a taste of what you get when you join this challenge. So, how much does this fabulous support cost? Well, you might expect to pay hundreds, if not thousands of dollars for this type of support. But I want this program to be accessible to everyone who needs my help. So when you join my mentoring program, you get the first 2 months of membership. That's 8 weeks in total for just $99. That's right, $99. And this includes the 6-week challenge starting soon. Now, this program has helped so many people have amazing transformations, and I want that for you too. Imagine being able to shed those excess kilos that have been weighing you down for far too long. How amazing will that feel? So don't put it off for another minute. Let's make winter the time you change your life and lose the weight you so desperately want to. To find out more and see amazing before and after pics from those who've done it before, head to my website, simplytoogood.com.au/membership. I'd love to be your mentor, and I promise you this fabulous program has the power to change your life, and it's just $99. So what are you waiting for? The 6-week challenge starts on Monday the 19th of June, so head over to the website simplytoogood.com.au/membership and check it out today. Join now and you'll get instant access. So let's get started. Do this for yourself because you're worth it.